In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the page layout tab, and here where it says link, you simply want to click on it and then click on a new link. Now, from here, you'll basically have to select where you want your link to be. So you'll have to draw kind of a rectangle over it. I'm going to just go where it says myths debunked, and I'm going to kind of draw over it, and I'm going to create this a link. Of course, you could go over text, images, symbols, whatever you want to use, shapes, anything is going to work. You can just basically draw it out. There we go. And it's going to tell you that you can add links to your document. Now here, you can select your link type. It could be a visible or invisible rectangle. Then you have a highlight style. I'm going to do outline here. And then you can select your thickness and then the color as well. I'm just going to make it green right now. And then of course you have your line style, for which I'm going to do solid. Now here you could also select a bunch of different things. So link action could be go to a page view, which is going to open up basically a specific part of your page. You could do open a web page, and here it's going to basically add a hyperlink, which is what we're looking at right now. So as you can see, you can put in your link. For example, this is the link to my YouTube channel, or you could also do open a file or custom. So if you want to do a hyperlink, I could just click on open a web page, paste in the link, click on next here, and there we go. You're going to have to basically do that again. I'm going to click OK, and whenever this link is clicked over here, if I go to, for example, the hand tool, it's going to basically take me to youtube.com, as you can see here, to my channel link. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.